Okay, here I am going to discuss some critical concept of the dimensional analysis. Okay, first concept, homogeneity principle. Okay, homogeneity homogeneity principle. Okay, what is the meaning of the homogeneity? Homogeneity means the unique. Okay, means if any physical quantity combined with other physical quantity, it means both have the same nature and same property. And if any physical quantity combined with or subtract with other physical quantities, it means both the physical quantity have the same dimensions, same units and same behavior and same properties. Okay, so student, just like a mathematically we can say, if we consider y equals to x plus z. Okay, y equals to x plus z. So here always remember this thing, dimension of y always equals to dimension of x, and also it is equals to dimension of z. Dimension of z. Okay, it means x and z, the physical quantity x and physical quantity z have same dimensions and dimensional formula, because here physical quantity x combined with the physical quantity z. Okay, so this is known as the homogeneity principle. Okay, but it is hold only in subtraction as well as the addition. Okay, so another example, just like x is equals to a plus bt square plus c upon d plus t, where x is equals to distance and t is equals to time, and distance measured in meter and time is measured in second. Here the question is, find out the dimensions of the physical quantity A, B, C and D. We can use in this equation the homogeneity principles of the dimensions. And according to the principles of the homogeneity of the dimensions, we know the dimensions of x equals to dimensions of A. Yes? So you know here x is called distance, so dimensions of A equals to L. Yes? Dimensions of A equals to dimensional formula of A equals to L, and here the dimensions of A equals to 1, because dimension is known as the power of the fundamental quantities. Okay, so here dimensional formula of A equals to L, and here the fundamental unit of the length is meter, and meter have power 1. So here the dimensions of A equals to 1 and unit of the A equals to meter. Okay, meter. Right? Now according to that, student, what is the dimensions of V? Dimensions of V. We can find the dimensions of V as as dimensions of Vt square is equals to dimension of x. Also we can write dimensions of A equals to dimensions of Vt square. Okay, so dimensions of V equals to dimensions of dimension of x upon dimensions of t square. And you know, student, dimensions of x is equals to L and dimensions of t means t square, so it will be equals to Lt minus 2. Here the unit of the physical quantity B will be meter second minus 2, meter second minus 2, and dimensional formula of the B Lt minus 2. Now again, if you want to calculate the dimensions of C, then it is very critical. If you want to calculate the dimensions of C, before that we want to find out the dimensions of D. Okay, so now here dimensions of the D plus T always equals to dimensions of the D equals to dimensions of T, because here physical quantity D combined with the time, so both have the same dimensional formula. Okay, means D considered as a time because it is combined with the time. So here the dimensional formula of D equals to T. Okay, and its unit is second. Student, finally we want to find out the dimensions of C. So remember this thing, dimensions of C upon D plus T equals to dimensions of X. So now here I want to calculate the dimensions of C equals to dimension of X into dimensions of D plus T. So it will be equals to dimensions of X is L, and you know dimensions of D and dimension of T both have the same value. So here T plus T, and now it will be equals to 2 into L into T. 2 is a constant value, so it is considered dimensionless. Okay, it is considered as dimensionless quantity. So 2 have no dimension, so dimensions of C will be L into T, that is equals to L into T, and its unit is meter second. Its unit is meter per second. Okay student, thank you so much.